you guys feeling? Good.
Awesome.
Okay, so where are we going today?
Waterfall. What's the name? Tukad Cepung Waterfall.
Tukad Jepang. Waterfall.
Hey, love you.
Okay, you tell me the actual pronunciation, come. You tell me the actual pronunciation, come.
Tukad Campuhan.
Tukad Cepung. Guys, it's okay. It's okay, it's not our language. We are here at the waterfall. Wow, there's more and more people. Now it's 8:30 a.m. Is it awake? Only Karen is awake.
Yeah.
Only Karen is awake.
I am awake.
Oh, nice weather. Let's go. Oh, I need to pay money. How much is it? 15,000 per person. The weather is quite good actually. It's sunny but it's not hot. Sunny with cool wind. Careful. Pasta 5块钱 ，sandwich 4块半。Good weather. I can hear the sound of the waterfall now.
Mom.
Nothing. Yeah, are you excited to jump into the waterfall?
Sorry.
Small coconut.
Small coconut.
Hey, you don't feel like you're in Bali, ah? I feel like I'm in other countries, eh? Because it's quite cold here. I think got to do with the water. Wow, look at this. Oh, there's a changing room here. Looks like this. So we can change here. Okay, more stairs. Tukad Cepung, the waterfall. Let's go down. Were they okay or not? I think it's a waterfall. Damn cool, ah. Oh, there are two. Which one? Left or right? No, this is the right side. Yeah. There's one more. We are following you.
I love this. Yeah. Starting to really like it.
Wow. It's very cooling here. Oh, you can walk further down. Careful. Yeah, it's muddy. Sand. Oh, I saw that cool. Oh, look. lot of people just put back here. Wow.
Oh la la.
It's damn show. It's damn fun. It's very cold and we are all freezing now. You see? We are all freezing. You see she's enjoying the breeze. Like that, like that.
Very nice.
Look at these people. Come here, eat Maggie mee. The Maggie mee cost.
Indomie what? Yeah.
Okay, Indomie. $1. One Sing dollar. Yeah. Banana how much? Banana how much? 10 cents.